principals, through Her Excellency Martha Karua, announced that on Tuesday the 7th, we are going to Kamukunji grounds. We are going to consult the people of Kenya to tell us where to go and what to do. Currently, together with my brother, Senator Wambua, and 5 other colleagues, we are part of the bipartisan team, of which I'm the chair. But when we realized that our colleagues on the other side were trying to take us in circles, we said we will not be taken in circles. We suspended that talk. We will only resume if the people tell us to resume. And we will only resume if the people of Kenya Kwanza are serious about talks. If they are not serious, we will not resume. But ultimately, hello? Yes. I heard Professor Kindiki lecturing us and telling us that whatever options you agree on, the option of maandamano is out of the question. Who is he to tell us that? I was part of the team that wrote the Constitution of Kenya. And I want to tell Professor Kindiki that as a single individual, you do not have the authority to amend the Constitution without a referendum. We retain the ultimate right to exercise all the rights in the Constitution. If the people